How on earth does Cheesecake Factory pull off a 250-item menu? While competitors desperately shrink their menus to save cash, Cheesecake Factory actually adds more dishes every year. So how do they run a massive scratch kitchen without totally collapsing under the pressure? It starts with crazy early morning prep. They make over 100 different sauces entirely from scratch. This takes military precision, exact weighing, hyper-organized prep stations, and totally rigorous daily taste tests. Meticulous attention is absolutely crucial here. Veteran trainer Jay Henson says complacency causes mistakes. Once those doors open, it is go time. Chefs have exactly 15 minutes per complex entree. To manage all that chaos, cooks rely on a super smart digital algorithm to synchronize cooking times. The system staggers start times. That way, a slow-cooking steak and quick orange chicken finish perfectly together. Falling behind, tickets flash orange or red, instantly alerting managers to step onto the line and help. Now, cooking from scratch isn't cheap. In fact, their menu prices have jumped 40% recently. But they justify those prices with massive portions. You're literally buying dinner today and lunch for tomorrow. Behind the scenes, they save huge money by cleverly sharing base ingredients across totally different dishes. But here's the real kicker. Their true profit engine isn't the entrees at all. It's dessert. Those iconic cheesecake slices actually make up an estimated 17% of the chain's entire sales. Shipped frozen from outside factories, these pricey slices require literally zero effort from the kitchen staff. The result? A staggering $12 million in average annual revenue per location, absolutely crushing competitors. However, they finally capped the menu at 250 items just to manage the insane execution complexity. Balancing precise kitchen algorithms, shared ingredients, and high-margin desserts proves their more is more strategy actually wins. So, as competitors shrink, is offering endless variety the ultimate dining advantage? What do you think?